What if India, a country known for its rich culture and diverse traditions, becomes the next global hub for AI and robotics? Sounds intriguing, right? Let's rewind to the early days when AI and robotics were budding concepts in the Indian landscape. In the beginning, AI and robotics were met with skepticism. They were seen as foreign concepts, too advanced and complicated for practical use. However, the seeds of curiosity were sown, and gradually, a quiet revolution began to stir. The tech-savvy youth, the ambitious entrepreneurs, the forward-thinking academics, they all started to see the potential in these technologies. Enter Narendra Modi, a visionary leader with a keen eye for technological advancements. He recognized the power of AI and robotics to transform India's economy and society. He saw beyond the skepticism and the doubts. He saw a future where India was not just a consumer of these technologies, but a significant contributor and innovator. Under Modi's leadership, the tone began to shift. AI and robotics were no longer considered as distant, complex concepts. They became part of the national discourse. Modi's government started to invest in research and development, fostering a culture of innovation and encouraging the youth to explore these fields. In this new era, AI and robotics were not just about machines and algorithms. They became symbols of India's progress, its ambition to be a global leader in technology, and its commitment to creating a better future for its citizens. This was the dawn of AI in India. It was a time of change, of curiosity, of ambition. It was a time when India started to embrace AI and robotics, to delve into the world of possibilities they offered. It was a time when India, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, began its journey towards becoming a global hub for AI and robotics. With the dawn of AI in India, a new era was about to begin under the vision of Narendra Modi. A vision can change the course of a nation, and this is what Narendra Modi's leadership brought to the AI and robotics sector in India. India's Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, has been a driving force behind the country's technological revolution, with a particular focus on artificial intelligence and robotics. His vision, focused on harnessing the power of these cutting-edge technologies, has transformed India into a breeding ground for innovation and progress. Under Modi's leadership, AI and robotics have become more than just buzzwords. They are now integral parts of the country's strategic development plan. Through various initiatives and policies, Modi's administration has made significant strides in promoting research, development, and adoption of these technologies. One such initiative is the National Program on AI, aiming to leverage AI for inclusive growth in the country. This program focuses on 5 key sectors: healthcare, agriculture, education, urbanization, and mobility, aiming to bring about transformative change through AI. Furthermore, Modi's government has been instrumental in fostering an ecosystem conducive to the growth of AI and robotics. They have encouraged startups, research institutions, and corporations to collaborate and innovate. This collaborative approach has led to advancements that are not just technologically sound, but also cater to the unique needs and challenges of India. Moreover, the government has also been proactive in skilling its workforce in AI and robotics. With initiatives like Future Skills, the government aims to equip over 2 million technology professionals and over 1 million students in the upcoming technologies. The government's role in promoting AI and robotics has been pivotal. They have not just provided the necessary financial support, but also created an environment where ideas can thrive, collaborations can flourish, and solutions can be developed that are uniquely Indian. Narendra Modi's vision was not just a dream, but a roadmap for India to become a global AI and robotics hub. His leadership has set the stage for a future where India leads the world in AI and robotics, creating solutions that have a global impact and driving the nation towards a technologically advanced future. Success doesn't come overnight, and the progress of AI and robotics in India is a testament to this statement. Under the leadership of Narendra Modi, India has seen significant advancements and milestones in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. Let's talk about the startups first. The country has seen a surge in the number of AI startups, with entrepreneurs and innovators coming up with solutions to real-world problems using AI. From healthcare to agriculture, from traffic management to waste management, AI is being used to revolutionize various sectors, creating a positive impact on the lives of millions. Research institutions have also seen a boost. Under Modi's leadership, the government has increased funding and support for institutions focusing on AI and robotics research. These institutions not only contribute to the global understanding of these technologies, but they also train the next generation of AI and robotics experts, ensuring that India continues to be a leader in these fields. The progress doesn't stop there. India, under Modi's leadership, has been actively collaborating with international entities. These partnerships have allowed India to gain access to cutting-edge technology and share its own advancements with the world. It's a two-way street that benefits everyone involved and pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI and robotics. But it's not just about technology. Modi's leadership has also led to policy changes that support the growth of AI and robotics in India. These policies ensure that the growth is sustainable and benefits everyone, not just a select few. And this is just the beginning. The groundwork has been laid, the foundation is strong, and the future looks promising. AI and robotics have the potential to transform India in ways we can't even imagine right now. But one thing is for sure, under Modi's leadership, India is making strides towards becoming a global hub for AI and robotics. The journey so far has been remarkable, but the best is yet to come. The future is not something we enter, but something we create. How does the future of AI and robotics look in India? As we look ahead, the future of AI and robotics in India is shaping up to be a fascinating panorama of innovation, opportunity, and transformation. India, under Narendra Modi's leadership, is gearing up to be a global contender in the AI and robotics arena. So what's on the horizon? Several ambitious projects are already underway. For instance, the government's plan to set up the National Center for Artificial Intelligence as a hub of AI research. This initiative is expected to propel India's AI journey, fostering a culture of innovation and research in the country. In the realm of robotics, India is also making strides. For example, the government's Make in India campaign is encouraging homegrown robotics companies to develop solutions tailored to India's unique challenges. This could range from robotic arms in manufacturing to drones for agricultural surveys, and even robotic companions for the elderly. Policy-wise, India is not trailing behind. The government is drafting comprehensive guidelines for AI and data usage, aiming to create a conducive environment for growth while ensuring data privacy and ethical AI practices. The expected growth in this sector is exponential. According to a recent study by Accenture, AI could add up to $1 trillion to the Indian economy by 2035. That's a staggering number, and it could potentially revolutionize the socio-economic landscape of India. But it's not just about the economy. The ripple effects of AI and robotics could permeate every facet of Indian society. Think about improved healthcare through AI-powered diagnosis, personalized education through intelligent tutoring systems, or increased agricultural yield through precision farming. In essence, the future of AI and robotics in India is not just about technology. It's about harnessing this technology to uplift lives, to solve real-world problems, and to create a better tomorrow for every Indian citizen. The future of AI and robotics in India looks promising, and under Narendra Modi's leadership, the sky is the limit. Information is power, and in the domain of AI and robotics, it is the key to the future. We've journeyed together through the dawn of AI in India, explored Narendra Modi's vision for this groundbreaking technology, and witnessed the tangible progress under his leadership. We've also glimpsed the exciting future of AI and robotics in India, a future that's unfolding right here, right now. Staying informed about these developments isn't just about keeping abreast of the latest news. It's about understanding our evolving world, recognizing the potential of AI and robotics, and anticipating the transformative impact it can have on our lives and society. It's about being part of the conversation, contributing to the debate, and shaping the future in our own small way. So let's continue this journey together. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI.